Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have some Jollibee. It's my first time trying Jollibees. So I have the spaghetti. I think this is gravy. I think this is gravy. Yeah, they give me 2 cups of gravy. This is the adobo rice. French fries. And this is the 3-piece chicken choice something. 3-piece meal. Ooh, look at that. So, let's see how this tastes. I never had this before. It's my first time trying this, so hopefully it tastes good. You know what? I think I'm gonna try the pasta first. I'm gonna try the pasta first. See how the pasta tastes. I'm gonna try the pasta because the pasta have this cheese and French. Oh, let me see how it tastes. Mix it up. These taste good. Alright, let me try this thing. I never tried it before. It tastes good. I did not expect this. It tastes good for real. I don't know what kind of sauce that is, but that sauce tastes good. French fries. Not bad. I have to warm it up because I got it when I came off work. By the time I get here, it was cold. It was a little warm, but it was not warm enough to eat. You know what I'm saying? It's a struggle. Alright. That's great. I don't like that smell. I'll try the rice. The adobo rice. What's this? Not bad. I think I had some type of meat in there. Well, I have some type of meat in there. I don't know. But it tastes good. Alright. Let me just fry before they get cold. I'm ready to try the chicken. I didn't know this came with the rice. That's all I know about this one. I'm gonna try this rice though. I'm gonna try chicken. I'm trying to work out which one I like more. I like this one better. That one better. Alright. I'm trying the chicken. Let's go for the chicken. Oh, they have stuff in there. Oh. They have this spicy thing. Let's try the chicken. Let's see if it tastes better than Popeyes. I doubt it. spicy because I feel spicy, but it don't taste as in Popeyes. That's good though. With some gravy. I have a weird taste, but I don't taste with the rice. I don't like it. I don't like the gravy. So, whew, chicken's not bad. The chicken tastes good. Popeyes is just and they had a spicy chicken sandwich too. Like the Chick-fil-A, they got a spicy chicken sandwich. I don't get it, but I'm like, that's too much. I got this fries. You know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna use the Chick-fil-A sauce with these fries. But they didn't give me no ketchup, no nothing. I have no Polynesian, so I'm gonna try the Chick-fil-A sauce. Think about this spaghetti though. This spaghetti is good. It is good. I don't know no fast food place that sells spaghetti, but I guess that's just different about them. Tastes good. Tastes so good. I'll eat this again. Let me know these fries first. Fries is good. Let me get a bite. You can't compare the Popeyes at all. Popeyes is bad. I'm getting full already. I'm trying to rate it. I'll give it a 5. A 5. Chicken is just moist. Almost done the pasta. Add a little sweet taste to it. A little bit, not much, but okay. The food was good. It wasn't all that, but it was good. It's decent. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.